Alright, hello everyone. I've been working on a Roblox engine kind of 2D compatibility plugin, and I'm going to be showcasing what I've got so far. It's nothing impressive. It's really just easy. But anyways, you can create projects. So I'm going to create a project called YouTube. And then I'll go back into here. I can load my YouTube project. Now there's currently nothing in it. We can scroll about, but it doesn't look like we're scrolling because there's nothing in it. So let's create a player. Now you can see we can scroll away from the player. We can drag this player on the screen to here and scroll about. I don't want to create a new project. I can add another player up into the corner there. It is slightly bugged. There you go, that's fixed. Kind of, not really though. So there is a lot of bugs. Like when you start moving, you can't drag it until you've moved, and then it's very buggy. But that's something I'm working on. I'm gonna load the AB project here. If I load this project, I added a few scripts just to showcase that you can actually do this and actually use it for a game, I guess. It's just basic, these scripts, very basic, just player movement and creation of a player using the Raw2D API I made. So I click play and it should, don't take my word for it because again it's very buggy. But it's, yep, there you go, it's got the player. I can move about. I create the camera system so it's centered around the player, so if the player starts moving, it'll do that. Then I can keep moving down and down until it hits the limit. And this is using the external scripts after the creation of the plugin, and uses the plugin's API to move about. I have the ability of collisions, but I haven't actually added them yet because I want to fix and do the fine tuning and everything before I add collisions in. But it's going to be collisions, so you can't really collide with, you know, other objects. I'm not entirely sure how good that will work for the first try of collisions, but I will give it a go. And that'll probably be in the next video after I iron out all the other bugs. But yeah, that's what I've been working on recently. It's pretty cool. There's a few different versions of it. So there's this version, which is like really unorganized and broken, and there's this version which is very clean. So I like that. In the past 3 days, I've coded 1,854 lines. I want to die, but yeah, that's it for me. I can, you know, yeah, yeah, that's it. If I wanted to do that, I'd have to, real quickly just do that, and then it'll reactivate it. I'm gonna work on a fix for that. Oh yeah, also just to show that I guess that it works, I'll drag them away, and then hit play. And you see that they're there, so you can do an editor, you click play, it loads them up. I'm gonna work on a fix on after you come back from play, and then it reactivates the plugin mouse. But yeah, that's it so far. I want to add a lot of things. I want to add a maybe a physics, kind of 2D physics engine. I want to add collisions. I want to iron out all the basic bugs. I see I've planned for project configs, which I'm going to be working on as well. I kind of want to just make Roblox 2D compatible, at least with the plugin for now. And I feel like it's going pretty well. I want to be able to add spreadsheets in the future, but I think I'll have to do kind of a hacky version and just have you upload all the images into a module script and then it'll automatically animate it or something like that. I'm not entirely sure how I'll do that one. I want to keep working on the API and make it more advanced, and keep working on the usability of it and the ease of access. But that's about it. This is kind of just more of a proof of concept video that it's possible, and I'm very surprised that I haven't seen anybody do it, or at least there's nothing on the toolbox. You know, if you go to the toolbox and you search up like 2D, there's this, which is terrible. Raw 2D is what's Minecraft. There's absolutely nothing. Roblox 2D, like there's no kind of 2D plugin, which really I don't understand, because it's not exactly a hard thing to make. I'm by no means am I a good coder. I kind of just set my mind to it and made it, so I'm surprised no one else has done it before. But yeah, anyways, I'm rambling on because it is 1:37 in the morning and I'm very sleep deprived, so I'm going to end the video, upload it, and then go to sleep. So yeah, the next video will have probably a lot more in it. It'll probably have a little game concept idea. It'll probably just be a platformer, like scrolling game. I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but yeah, next video will come out maybe soon, maybe not. It depends if I keep working on the project. But for now, that's me, and yeah, goodbye.